Today I have a video of me putting on a Yoshimura exhaust on my 2024 CRF110. Should sound a lot better. Most likely look a lot better. Let's get to it. So the first thing we're going to have to do to start this is take off the plastics. So there's one bolt here and one bolt here. So we'll take those off. And then the rest are like pop tabs, and then there's one little pull-out clip right there. Both of these bolts are both 8mm bolts. After you've taken the bolts out, you may have to lift the seat up a little bit because the bolt runs through there to hold the seat. So you lift up the seat. That'll kind of pry away, and the rest of these just pop off. We'll have to undo this pull clip right here as well. The clip that goes in this spot right here just lifts up and then you pull it out. Really simple. In order to take the stock exhaust off, there are two bolts right here. There is one here and one here. They are all 12mm bolts. I have taken this bolt out. I left this bolt in here, and I'm going to take these out. And the reason you want to leave that up there is so it just doesn't all fall down. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter since you probably won't use this exhaust again, but just to save it in case you want to. You want to make sure you save these bolts because you'll be using them on your new exhaust. So this is loose. We'll go ahead and loosen this one and everything should pop down. There you are. Stock exhaust is off. Here we have our new exhaust, or at least part of it, and it just goes right back in place where the old one was. But you'll hook this one up with the stock bolts, so we'll get that hooked up now. Next, you're going to take the other part of the exhaust, slide it on here. Take your stock bolt, start that into place. I purposely left these bolts loose just so I could have a little wiggle room on this for when I put the exhaust on. So now you can go ahead and tighten those up. Solid. So right here you have two little hooks, and it supplies you with two little, like a little spring that'll stretch across there to hold the exhaust into place since you're not using that bolt anymore. And it comes with a spring stretcher so you can get that done. For those of you who are like me, you want that logo facing outward even though this is going to be covered in plastic. So we'll take this, put this hook on here. And there we are. It does come with heat dispersing tape, which will probably just reflect the heat back onto the exhaust and not melt your plastic. So that's a nice plus. So once you have everything nice and secured, just go ahead and put your plastics back on. Do everything in reverse order. Don't forget to put your clip back. That goes right here. And that's it. It's all done. It looks a lot better than stock, and I'm sure it's going to sound better. This thing sounds awesome now. I'm really happy I got this exhaust. And yeah, the only thing to do now is go ride. So thank you for watching.